Today we're going to talk about the letter H.
I'm going to.
You're going to trace it. That's the lowercase h.
And
Uppercase H. That one's the uppercase H. Uppercase H.
uppercase H.
Lowercase h.
Lowercase H.
H is for honey.
Honey.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. That is a
Hedgehog.
Sonic. A
Yeah.
hedgehog.
Sonic the Hedgehog, yep.
That is a Sonic a hedgehog.
Yep.
Let's like have a spiky. And hand.
Hat. House.
And say circle the house.
Circle the house. Heart.
And say circle the heart.
Circle the heart.
And say unicorn.
Horse. Circle the horse. Horse.
Horse.
Heart.
Heart.
House.
House.
Hat.
Hat.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Honey.
Remember, this is a hedgehog. Sonic
Yep.
is a
Sonic the Hedgehog. Yep. Say honey.
honey.
H says the sound.
Hat.
Oh yeah. H is for hat. Uppercase H.
Uppercase A.
Lowercase h.
Lowercase H.
Say horse.
Horse.
Hamburger.
Handball.
House.
House.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
What do we have in here?
Hat.
It's a hat.
Can I wear my hamburger?
Hamburger. Do you have a hat anywhere? Hamburger. Do we have a hat anywhere? Hat. Horse. Ooh, part of a puzzle. House.
House.
Hot air balloons. Heart.
Heart.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Hill. Hairbrush.
Hamburger.
This is the uppercase H.
Uppercase H.
What's that?
A little heart.
It's a heart.
Let's put it right here. Mama, what's this called?
That's the uppercase H and the lowercase h.
This goes here, and this goes right here.
I think this is the uppercase H. That's the lowercase h. And that's the uppercase H. Good job.
It looks like
H.
Which one do you want to do first? H is for hop on one
this
foot.
is a H and a lowercase A.
Yes, uppercase H and lowercase
This
h.
is lowercase H and uppercase A.
Yep. That says hen. Hammer.
Hammer.
Pose.
Hose.
Hat.
Hattie.
Hand.
Hand.
House.
House.
We need the house. Can you find the house? Purple hat. Good job, Mama. You're all done.